Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you have privacy concerns, have lost internet in the game, or simply want to delete your existing account so that you can create a new one without duplicating your records on the platform? In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete your Roblox account from any device, whether it's your phone or your computer. Let's go. Unfortunately, if you're looking for a direct feature in the platform that allows you to easily remove your account records, there isn't one. In fact, to request the deletion of your account, you will need to contact Roblox Support. On your computer, open up your preferred web browser. Go to roblox.com/support and sign in with your account. Once signed in, fill out the support form by providing your username, first name, and the email associated with your account. Under Issue Details, click the drop-down menu and specify the device you use frequently. While in the Type of Help category, select Data Privacy Requests and choose the Right to be Forgotten subtopic. To make your request more specific, please make sure to include a detailed description of what you want to ask for in the text box provided. After submitting your account deletion request, Roblox will send a confirmation email to the address you provided to Roblox. On the other hand, the steps for the Roblox mobile application are slightly different. To get started, open Roblox and log in if you haven't already. Continue to the More tab at the bottom. Click Settings, and then go to Privacy. Scroll down to the Exercise Data Rights section and click the Initiate button. Once you are redirected to the support webpage, click on the support form hyperlink and follow the same steps as described earlier to submit your account deletion request. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.